Okay, please introduce yourself and tell us why you are interested in joining Alterity Journey.
My name is Harini Kuswardani and I'm fresh graduate in English Literature from University of Gajah Mada. I have strong interest in language, translation, and cross-cultural communication. During my studies, I preparation in intensive Mandarin language programs and HSK preparation class. I'm interested joining at Alterity Journey because this position aligns with my academic background and personal interests. I'm so excited about the opportunity to use my English and communication skill in international environment.
What are interests you most about working as a translator or interpreter in the tourist industry?
What interests me most is the opportunity to apply my language skill in real life situation while interacting with people different cultural backgrounds. I enjoy helping people language overcome barriers and communication more effective. The tourist industry are interesting to me because it combines the language and language communication and cultural exchange. I find it rewarding to support international visitors and help to create positive experience.
In your opinion, what is more important for a translator or interpreter, language accuracy or effective communication? Why?
I believe both are important, but effective communication is slightly more important. The main goal of translator and interpreter is to ensure that the intent message to understood correctly. While language accuracy is necessary, communication can still be successful as long as the meaning delivered clear and appropriately.
Have you ever communicated with people from different cultural backgrounds? What did you learn from the experience?
Yes, as a freelance translator, I have worked with text and client in different backgrounds. It helped me to understand the importance of clear and culturally appropriate communication. In addition, my experience in customer service taught me how to interact with people who have different communication style and expectation. From this experience, I learned the effective communication requires patience, adaptability, and respect for cultural difference.
How would you handle a misunderstanding caused by language barriers or cultural differences?
I will stay calm and listen carefully to understand the source misunderstanding. Then I would clarify the message using clear sentence or simple language and confirm whether the other person understand the information. If necessary, I will provide example or addition explanation to avoid further confusion.
Why should Authority Journey choose you for this position?
I believe I'm suitable candidate because I have strong communication skills, language abilities, and interest in cross-cultural interaction. My academic background in English literature, experience as a freelance translator, and private tutor, as well as my customer service experience, have helped me to develop my communication, adaptability, and interpersonal skills needed for this role.
Okay, that's all, and thank you, Miss Arin.
Oke, kita balik. Okay, Miss Friska, tell me about yourself.
My name is Arina Friska. I graduated from SMAU Al Hidayah and I study at Al Hidayah Islamic Boarding School. Currently, I'm studying in English Education Department in Muhammadiyah Sudarjo University. I'm interested to teaching children, especially in helping them learn the Quran, Islamic values.
Why do you want to become a private Quran tutor?
I want to become a private tutor because I enjoy teaching children and sharing Islamic knowledge. I feel happy when I can help students improve their Quran reading and understanding.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are passion, responsibility, and good communication skills. I can teach children in a calm and friendly way so they feel comfortable with learning.
What experience do you have in teaching Quran?
I learned Quran reading and Islamic studies during my time at Al Hidayah Islamic Boarding School. I also often help younger students and children at there to reading Quran, sometimes memorizing short surah, and teach them to memorize daily prayers.
How would you handle a student who is difficult to teach?
I will stay patient and try to understand students' character. I would use a more enjoyable learning method such as game storytelling or simple rewards so the student feels more motivated and happy.
What can you teach besides Quran reading?
Besides Quran reading, I can teach basic tajweed, short surah, daily prayers, and basic manners for children.
Why should we hear you?
Because I have an educational background, I enjoy teaching children and I am responsible and passionate. I am also willing to continue learning and improving my teaching skills.
How do you make learning enjoyable for children?
I try to create a comfortable atmosphere by being friendly and interactive. I also use simple explanation and encourage students with positive motivation.
Okay, thank you, Miss Friska.